Okay, this is these are some tips on replacing the um, radiator in two cars Pro. I'll put a link in the description, or I'll put it in the comments. Does a really good video on removing the radiator. I put a note in this video on a 2006 rx400h. That's what I'm dealing with. One of the main obstacles you're going to run into is dealing with a the lower bolts that hold the radiator from underneath. Let me show you what's going on here. So what's happening is when, let me see if I can find it. Bear with me. It's late. I just spent a few hours dealing with this, and it's been a long day. So what happens here, if you look underneath, you'll see there are some holes, or a hole. A-hole. The engineer's an a-hole that designed this, by the way. Joke of the day. So if you look, let me try and get this right. Focus, you beast. Okay, so if you look at the hole on the right, that's the hole that I made. So I used the drill and drilled that out with a step drill bit. The hole to get at that bolt was here. The problem is you're offset. There's no way. I've tried everything I could to get at that bolt. Okay, you see it? I know I'm at an angle. It looks like it's lining up, but trust me, it's not. So when the engineers built this thing, they, in my opinion, didn't line these holes up right so you can get this bottom bolt that is securing the bottom of the radiator to the front of the frame here in the vehicle. So you're going to have to do that. It's either that or you're going to come from the front, and good luck getting the bolt back in because there's no room. I mean, you'll see. So just get a step drill bit, drill that out. And that's what I did. Now, if your car falls apart, well, that's on you, but I'm telling you what I did so I can get at this because it was just a pain. And there you have it. So that's one of the main tips I wanted to give people on this thing. These are the lower radiator bolts that hold the radiator to lower bracket. So the rest of it, like I stated, I'll put a link to a video that covers the rest of it. And there you go. All right, hopefully that helps somebody out. And the replacement radiators are not a perfect fit, at least the one I got from the auto parts store is a little bit thicker. It fits, but it's not a perfect fit. It's a little bit thicker. All right, over and out.